to show you how to make this awesome cast iron pizza. Crispy, delicious, and easy to make.
Since we're making a pepperoni and mushroom pizza, we got some nice big portobello mushrooms that I'm just going to go ahead and slice up. For our dough, we're going to get our starter going. We have 1.5 cups of warm water. To that, we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of Red Star yeast. And we're just going to give that a little mix. Next, we're going to shred our own cheese. Don't buy the pre-shredded. This is a mozzarella low moisture. All right, 4 cups of all-purpose or bread flour. One tablespoon of salt. And we're going to give those dry ingredients a mix. Next, we want about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And we're going to put our yeast right in our flour. We're going to start to mix. All right, here's our dough, nice and mixed up, a little bit sticky. We're gonna put a little olive oil in that, and we're gonna cover it with saran wrap, and we're gonna let this rise to it about doubles in size, so at a minimum an hour, but the longer the better. We're gonna preheat our oven to 450 degrees. All right, let's get our dough out. It has risen up. I've punched it down. I'm gonna give it a couple rolls. I'm gonna hack off about that much. Okay, set that aside. We're gonna take a tablespoon of olive oil. Next, we're going to take our dough, and we're just going to spread this out with our fingers. So here's a little trick I've been seeing to make your pizza edges way crispy. Just put some cheddar cheese along the edge. Next, we're going to put our pizza sauce on. Next, we'll go our grated mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to go with pepperoni. So here comes the pepperoni. And then we're going to put some of these delicious mushrooms that we cut up. All right. So now we're going to put this in our preheated oven. I put a pizza pan in just to help get the bottom of the crust crispy. We're going to put that in for 20 minutes. All right. Let's take her out. Ooh. Nice color. We're going to check the bottom, make sure underneath is done how we like it. Oop. So I'm going to go ahead and, one nice thing about this, you can put it over a burner. We're going to just toast the bottom a little bit more. We're going to check that after a minute. Keep going until we get the good color. All right, now we got the the bottom brown like we like it. I'm just going to show you the underneath here. Got a nice brown crust. And we are going to give it a cut. It smells amazing. It's got that nice crispy crust. We're going to let it cool for a little bit, then we're going to give it a taste test. All right, so we're going to give it a taste test. The crust is great, nice and crispy. The cheese on the outside is a great trick. I love that. It's good, adds a good flavor. I like this method.